Alfred here.
Of You, Me, and Sicily, and guess what we're doing? We're cooking with Claudia and Danny.
Hello!
Hi.
And we're going to make arancini. But wait a second, is it arancini, arancino, arancine? Which is it?
Well, we are in Catania, it's the east coast of Sicily, so for us is arancini. Arancino, plural arancini.
And in Palermo, it's arancina.
And over here we have the Etna shape, right? And over there they have the round.
Yeah, and also arancini is like a small orange. So
Arancia.
small arancia. So it's arancino for sure. We don't have any doubt.
So get your pen and paper ready. We're going to have the recipe for you, okay? Arancini, a Sicilian staple that has been around since the 10th century when the island was under Arab rule. The recipes, fillings, and shapes vary from region to region and household to household, but the common ingredient is rice, thus the American name, rice ball. For this cooking demo, we go to our dear friend Claudia Guglielmino and her husband Danny's home. The love between these two newlyweds is infectious. Oh, you're fixing him, aren't you cute? Believe it or not, Claudia is a doctor and a top-notch award-winning Italian athlete. Cooking is her hobby, one she learned by watching her grandmother. First, we make the rice for the rice ball.
And we need olive oil, like very extravergine di oliva, and soffritto is little vegetables like onion, celery, and carrots to make soffritto before to use the right rice.
And using the right rice is very important.
It's very important because otherwise it's going to be a terrible arancini.
Start cooking the rice and add water little by little.
And then mix it. It has to be risotto, like just water little by little. A little more. We need another very important ingredient for the arancine. That is the zafferano. Zafferano is a yellow spice. How do you say it?
Saffron.
Oh, saffron.
Saffron.
It's easy. And I put saffron here.
Wow.
So then later, when we are going to use the water, it is going to turn in yellow. In the kitchen, the best way is to have one cooker and another one that is going to help
The
for
assistant.
everything. The assistant. He's my
I am
assistant.
assistant, yes.
Turn.
This is the secrets.
Ooh.
Okay.
Folks, you're getting this right here. The secret ingredient
Yes.
to arancini.
Notice the nice technique that Danny has. He's always going left to right, left to right, left to right. Huh?
Yes.
Left to right.
Clock.
Good assistant.
Clock direction.
So
So now there's too much smoke. So
much smoke.
it means that we need more water.
Okay.
Last step is put the butter and Parmesan cheese. Okay, so
This is going to be really flavorful.
this is the real sticky ingredient.
Shops, restaurants, and cafes have become quite creative with their arancini stuffings. There's butter and green peas, spinach, eggplant, pistachio, and even salmon. But the classic is made with ragu or meat sauce. How did you make this?
I made it yesterday because it's very important. To make the right arancini, you need to make the rice the day before and the ragu the day before, because then you need to rest in the fridge and the consistency is going to be a little thicker.
So what's in here? Tomato?
Is a tomato and meat. In the pot you are going to put olive oil, soffritto that we saw before,
Yeah.
and the meat, only the meat. Then later you can put the tomato sauce, the basic one.
And I see some basil in
The
here.
basil for sure. And you let it to cook for around an hour.
Okay, so we're getting the fry later ready, and sunflower oil is what you use, right?
Yes.
Why sunflower oil, not olive oil?
Not olive oil. Otherwise, it's going to be too heavy fried.
In a bowl, we make the coating for the arancini, which keeps the ingredients together.
Yeah.
Right.
It's just flour, a little water, not too much,
And olive oil.
Olive oil, just pochissimo.
Pochissimo, just a little bit.
Just a little.
And some people put beer.
Basta. Some people put beer, and some people put bicarbonate. Bicarbonate?
Bicarbonate.
Bicarbonate.
Separate bowl, put breadcrumbs with a pinch of salt.
Bollita.
Danny's a physical therapist, by the way.
And a basketball player.
And a basketball player. Very good.
Today after
What
work.
position, Danny? God?
God, yeah.
God. I could tell he looked like a god. Here's the sugu, not the sugu. What do you call this stuff? Sugu.
You can call it sugu.
Sugu, right? Ragu. Okay.
Oh, we're putting cheese in there too.
You're putting some more little pieces of cheese too. So you guys got stuff going pretty good here, Esther. What do you think? I have to make sure this is good.
Yeah.
I have to make sure.
Yeah,
Okay?
sure. I'm sure you have to make it
Fare
sure.
controllo di tutti.
This is controllo qualità.
So we have the rice that we had made, the ragu, then cheese, and then we're gonna pass it in
Pastella.
in the pastella, and then the breadcrumbs. Okay,
Yes.
so let's get to work.
Okay, start. First important passage is a step is wash your hand here.
Okay.
Otherwise, the rice is going to be too sticky and in your hand. And then you do like this. Okay, you see, with the water. Okay, now you put a spoon of ragu, then a little cheese. Okay, two different kind of cheese, emmental cheese like the Switzerland, and with one saffron. I like saffron. And then I put a little small
On top.
on top. Okay, then you do like this. This is a small one.
Okay.
If it's too open, we can use a little more. And then
Like
you
a snowball.
do like a snowball, exactly.
A Sicilian snowball.
Yeah. And then here, but like this, not in the middle. Otherwise, it's
so a
going
little
to
bit.
open.
Okay.
Yes. And then here. And let it be very compact.
Okay. Okay, can I go?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, now we're
So
gonna have
in
the
the
Hungarian honey's gonna make one here.
And then, does this look right? And then I put in the palm of my hand in a little bit of a.
Go ahead, you
Cold,
can do
right?
it. You can do it. You can do it.
You're next, Sal.
No, I'm not gonna make any.
Okay.
I just eat them. I'm the tester.
Is this enough?
It's enough.
Okay. And then 2 pieces of cheese. And I love this. Three. And I love this advice. Put a little bit more
On
on
the
top. Okay, so now. Now, Claudia, did I put too much?
You got it.
Oh wait, this is gonna
No problem.
No.
Put some rice.
Look at
Put some
this.
more
on the
rice
top.
on it. Put
More-
some more rice on it.
Here. Okay.
Okay.
You got it, Bunsta.
Look at this.
Squeeze it tighter.
Yep, like a snowball. But
Like a
Claudia,
snowball?
look, all the stuff is coming out.
Don't
Okay,
worry
no
about
problem.
it.
No problem.
No
Use
problem.
another little things.
You gotta rally right now, Ezzy. I can tell you right now. You gotta rally.
Sì,
Okay?
senza schiacciare troppo.
As long as it's not square, Esther. As long as it's not square, okay?
Right. Katie, I want to know, what's your favorite dish that Claudia makes? Okay, top two.
The Parmigiana,
The eggplant.
tonno is a tuna,
Tuna with pistache.
with pistachio.
Pistachio.
Ah, lovely,
in
huh?
the oven?
Not in the grill.
On the grill.
Yeah.
Okay, Danny, it looks pretty good there.
Yeah, it's the best arancino. It's mine.
That's yours, right? And do you put a little stamp on it that says Fatto in Italia? You could almost bounce that as a basketball.
Yeah.
Well, not today.
Where is the
because
basket?
rice should-
Have her do one more because she's got good technique too. Hold it.
Okay, then do like
Yeah.
this.
We're gonna do the Etna one.
The
Yeah?
Etna one. So put the rice in your hand
Yeah.
and turn like this.
Ah, the cone. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. So we're ready to fry them, right?
Ready to fry. So we put everything here.
Okay, it looks like we're ready. Okay. Ooh, those look nice and brown. Perfect. Claudia, what's your favorite arancini? Ragu?
Pistache.
Pistachio!
But pistachio pepper. Pistachio
Yes,
marco.
because your sister and brother-in-law have a few restaurants in Taormina where they have some really cool types of arancini. I think they have a salmon, they have pistachio. Do they make ragu too?
Yeah. And also eggplants. And spaghetti aglio olio e peperoncino.
With the arancini?
Yes, inside. Yeah.
What? Trano joining us
Ciao, good
here.
morning.
Just for eating.
Just for eating. After we did all, us women, right, did all this work.
High five. Oh, with arancino. High
Oh,
five.
high five. Yeah, we did all this work and now they're gonna try it. Oh, sorry, Danny. Sorry, Danny, you did do
only
a little bit of
assistant.
work. You are a great assistant. Okay.
Wait a minute.
Yeah?
Wait a minute.
Yes, Alfredo.
Pepistrano has Leaco 2.0 shop in Taormina
Taormina?
on Corso Umberto by the Porta Catania.
The best.
arancini and the best pizza in all of Taormina. All right, let me see how they feel.
Be careful, it's gonna be warm.
You warm?
Be warm.
All right.
Propaganda.
It's okay?
Look at that.
Some Sicilian people go like this, Pepistrano. They go, right?
Yeah.
Others go,
Yeah.
all right? See or no, right? Well,
Correct.
for
Correct.
Claudia's, I'm gonna do this.
So
Very
the mixture.
excellent. Very good.
Hope you
Yeah.
enjoyed this episode of You, Me, and Sicily. And for more, go to www.youmeandsicily.com.
Hey, don't forget our Facebook page.
You, Me, and Sicily. Thanks for watching.
Thank you very much for watching.
Ciao.